Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the essentials: a verified Google business profile and an active Google Pay merchant account tied to your bank. Gather your business legal name, tax ID, GST or VAT, and bank details because Google needs them to issue a sticker. Once you have a clean logo and accurate shop address, you'll use these to personalize the sticker. Make sure all names and numbers exactly match bank records. Mismatches delay approval and printing, so correct them before you proceed. You then go into the Google Pay Merchant Center and locate the sticker or business assets section to begin a request. Fill in the shop name, branch address, and contact phone, choose the sticker size and style, and upload your logo in the required format. Once done, double-check spellings and the account linked for shipping. Inaccuracies cause reprints. Submit the form and note the estimated production and delivery times so you can plan opening displays and train staff when the sticker arrives. You finish by installing the sticker where customers naturally look, eye level beside your payment terminal. Clean and dry the surface first so it adheres. If the sticker doesn't arrive or the request is pending, check the Merchant Center status and the confirmation email for missing documents or mismatch notes. When a request is rejected, resolve the specific issue. For example, update bank or tax details, then resubmit with proof. If problems persist, contact Google Pay support with your request ID to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.